to build over here. So whenever anybody asks you what is We Are All Satoshi, it's a marketplace. It's a very innovative company that is delivering technical products. The products are in the domain of crypto and blockchain technology. So one of the product is BTC20 Smart Chain. It is not a product. It is practically a blockchain that was launched last year in October 2023. So with this smart chain, we we developed, designed, and delivered our own mining ecosystem. But mining of what? Mining of BTCC. That's the native coin of our blockchain. It's called the Bitcoin code. Now, the fascinating fact about this smart chain is we have designed this smart chain or the blockchain exactly on the roadmap of Bitcoin. That means over here also we have 21 million of supply of what? Of BTCC. Over here also we have 4 years of halving. Over here also there is the supply which comes only through mining. And over here also there lies an opportunity quite similar to the opportunity everyone had back in 2009 when Bitcoin was launched. Bitcoin was launched at $0.009 and today it's almost $60,000 and it went all-time high to $73,750 and still it has a potential of crossing almost $100,000 with this bullish run that is just about to begin. So we have designed this blockchain on the exact roadmap of Bitcoin. So for that reason, you can justify this like, what Bitcoin has achieved in like 14 years from 2009 to 2024, we might be able to achieve that in just 4 years. Why and how? We have many, many workshops on this and we will design many other workshops on this as well. So this is one of our product. That is how you are going to describe BTC20 Smart Chain. That's one of our product. The second product, Boomerang. Now, what is Boomerang? Boomerang is not a product. It's a platform that we released back in June 2023, but the date was 21st of June. So Boomerang is a platform that facilitates arbitrage trading. Now, what is arbitrage trading? Arbitrage trading is the discrepancies in between exchanges. Some coins are listed across multiple exchanges, while on some exchanges the price may differ. Maybe it will be lower compared to other exchanges. The difference is not that huge of a margin, but still there is a difference. So if you buy from one exchange, sell it off on other exchange, that's called arbitrage trading. And that's what we are capitalizing. In fact, we are not just capitalizing the exchanges. We are capitalizing any form of liquidity across blockchain. And whenever there are changes in liquidity through our AI technology, the artificial intelligence and the smart contracts that we have designed, we are able to track the discrepancies in liquidity, the changes in liquidity even before they actually happen. So that's what our AI is doing on Boomerang. And with that, we are able to deliver consistent profits. And these profits can come as long as the market will exist. It doesn't matter. It will rain or shine or, it doesn't matter the market is bullish or bearish. We will still be able to make profits with Boomerang. This is how Boomerang has been designed. So this product again is a groundbreaking product and this gives immense possibility for anybody who is having no knowledge of trading or any experience of trading, or maybe anybody who would not have ever ever got to know of arbitrage trading. They can also trade in very simple manner by just clicking a single button. So this is how you describe Boomerang. So let me ask you, if you have a platform which can give you consistent profit without any knowledge, without any experience for years and years to come, and by consistent profit, I mean, although, it's in a small range right now, but this profit is going to keep increasing as we are updating Boomerang. So how does that sound to you? This is what Boomerang is offering as a platform. The next product, they are our nodes packages. So again, these are exceptional packages. Why? Now, whenever a blockchain is launched, along with the blockchain, a nodes network is set up. Now, what are nodes practically? Nodes are physical computer or devices or systems that run practically the copy of entire transactions on blockchain. In a way, nodes offer backup of entire transactions on blockchain, and they continuously keep on updating. So as long as the
Recording in
blockchain
progress.
will exist, the nodes packages are going to receive nodal rewards as long as the blockchain will remain live or active. So this is like a one-time investment that you invest in a nodes package. You buy a nodes package to what? To our own blockchain, BTC20 Smart Chain. And with that node package, you are gonna earn nodal rewards for as long as this blockchain will continue to exist, as long as the transactions will keep on happening on our blockchain. When this will end, we have a mining program of 140 years. So at least we have a number. So nodes package can keep receiving this nodal rewards for like 140 years. And this is just a one-time investment. You invest just for the single time in your entire lifetime, and even your next generation is going to benefit. Similar is the case with the BTCC mining. Even with 140 years, your next generations are also going to benefit with this BTCC mining. So these are our products. Then recently we launched crypto credit card program. Now this product is very, very exceptional and very, very unique. How? Because there are no technicalities involved. There is no technical product to be designed. It was simply a product that was to be delivered through a licensing. So we did all the licensing, we got all the authorities and legal compliances, and after that we have launched this crypto credit card program. Now this credit card program practically provides a solutions for what? For payment solutions from cryptocurrencies to fiat currencies. Very simple. Crypto to fiat payment solutions, that what we are offering through crypto credit card program. So the title of this program is 9pay. The card is called 9pay, and it has its all its features and all the things on this card. We have very, very unique things. So this is what we are going to cover in tonight's master training crypto credit card program. I'll brief you with all the details and how this program has rolled out. Then we are also about to offer BTCC P2P program. That's everybody is mining BTCC. Everybody is claiming BTCC through nodes packages as well. We have BTC20 USDT with which we can buy any of our products, right? So this entire ecosystem is going to be backed by a P2P platform. That's BTCC P2P platform. That means all the assets from BTCC, all the different coins from BTCC, right? These are going to be available for trading, for selling and buying. What this product means to us as a community. This is going to give us a leverage to cash out our BTCC assets. BTCC, BTCC20 USDT. I don't feel like, if Bufil will be available, but we never know. And all these products or all these assets, tokens, coins on our blockchain we will be able to swap through the different cryptocurrencies. The external community who have not yet been a part of our ecosystem, they are going to come into our ecosystem and they need to buy the tokens, they need to buy the USDT, BTCC, everything. Who's going to wait for mining, right? Some people are there who would like to grab that BTCC instantly. And with P2P platform, we always know there is healthy competition between the buyers and the sellers. So again, that's going to be very, very interesting program that we will be launching very soon. And I'm sorry, this is not index trading. We are also about to launch Capital 3.0, which Chavez has already briefed. Index trading platform is another product, but it will be launched, a couple of months from now. But what we are about to launch is Capital 3.0. So in tonight's master training, we are going to cover crypto credit card program and Capital 3.0. So let me quickly take you to the Capital 3. The crypto credit card program. This is the new literature or the new PDF for 9pay. We will share this very soon on the official channels. And because this is a master workshop, these master workshops are designed for you to understand the product and not for the presentation. So we are not going to use this for the workshop. We have our own literature that I have prepared for you all. And with that, we will be able to understand how this crypto credit card program has been designed and what we are offering with this crypto credit card program. All right. So WAAS introduces 9pay program. 9pay crypto credit card program. So practically we are offering payment solutions from crypto to fiat, right? And any country which is accepting US dollars, the fiat currency, as a payment solution, we will be able to use our 9pay credit card. All right. Now we have collaborated with Visa company. We have collaborated with Visa, and this is like a huge uh, compliance thing for us because Visa is one of the largest provider of crypto, not crypto, but the traditional credit and debit card network. So wherever Visa cards are accepted as payment solutions, we will be able to use our 9pay card. All right. So this gives us very much credibility, with which we are with which we have launched the 9pay credit card program. Now we will be able to deposit crypto assets in USDT, USDC, Bitcoin, and Ethereum to start with. And this entire management of crypto card will be backed by an applications that are being tested on the Google Play Store and Apple Play Store. So as the testing is done, we will be releasing the applications. That means these applications will be available on Android Play Store and Apple Play Stores. We will be able to download these applications and we will be able to access the virtual cards and all the different things that have been aligned on this card. We will be able to view it with them through applications. Chavez recently announced that there will also be a feature of IBAN. That means international banking account. So with that, people from across the world will be able to deposit their fiat currency to buy crypto assets, as well as they will be able to sell crypto assets and uh, get the cash into their bank accounts. So these applications will also be acting as a banking solution to you, to us all. So that's something amazing. That's something very unique, which Chavez has recently announced, which already has been integrated into our credit card program. Now, the exchange rate, that would be 2.3% flat. That means for every $100 you deposit, you will only be able to access $97.7. $2.3 will always go towards the exchange, the currency exchange. That means the fiat, the crypto to fiat exchange, right? So 2.3% is our exchange rate, and we will also be charged $0.5. That means 50 cents for every transaction by Visa company. So this you need to consider, you need to understand how and with how much assets you will be able to spend. All right. Now, whichever crypto assets you will deposit, it will be relevant to the current value of that crypto assets, and that many dollars will be available for you to spend. So let us assume that today's Bitcoin is $60,000. So if you deposit a Bitcoin, you will have asset worth $60,000. So as per the prevailing rates of cryptocurrencies, this deposits will be will be available to you. Of course, the deposits in USDT will be cheaper compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum. All right. So I hope you understood this. The currency exchange rate charges, right? 2.3%. It's not 2.5. Many, have asked and confirmed this. It is 2.3%. All right. Now the timeline is the the card is already available in pre-sale as of now on WAAS. All right. What does pre-sale means? That means the application is still about to launch, but we are selling this as with some extra or the first hand benefits. So with pre-sale, we are offering 10% on the card value. So there are variants of cards, and whichever card you choose, you will get 10% bonus. That means 10% instant cash once your virtual card is issued for you to spend. So there are three variants: $100, $500, and $1,000. So whichever card value or whichever card you choose to buy, you will receive 10% of this value available to you to spend instantly once your virtual card is issued. So the timeline is pre-sale is already on, pre-sale. The timeline is 27th of September or 30th of September. These were the dates announced by Chavez. Most probably, tentatively, the applications will be available from Play Stores and Google's Apple Store. So whichever card you have purchased right now in VRL Satoshi, you will be able to transfer, or you will be able to, maybe Chavez is working on things so that the WAAS accounts and your application can be connected. And with that link, we will be able to access the card we have bought on the applications. So once you have that access, you and us all are required to submit the KYC. Once the KYC is done, it will also be a very, very easy and convenient, the protocol for KYC. So once the KYC is done, we will be issued virtual card instantly, and the 10% pre-sale offer or the bonus will be available on our virtual card. The physical card, it might take some time for the first batch to be dispersed. In India, Chavez mentioned like it will take almost more than 1.5 months, almost at least 2 months to receive our physical cards. But with the virtual card, you will have almost all the features and all the benefits except for the ATM, withdrawals. So once the virtual card is issued to you, you will be able to use it online. You will be able to use it in shopping at merchants through Google. Card will have equal value. Virtual card will be, equally usable, except for the ATM withdrawal. We will be able to use it almost across any payment solution. All right. So this is how the timeline has been framed, and hopefully Chavez might update on Wednesday exact date when the applications will be available. So right now you go to VRL Satoshi, you buy the card, and you start selling the card. Why do you sell the card? Because there are cashback and rewards with you selling that card.
Rashi, I'm so sorry, but we only see training topics, crypto, credit card, and Capital 3.0.
The screen wasn't shared.
It's not sharing.
Okay, let me just quickly. You should have told me very, before.
All right.
Now is it available?
Yes,
Now
sir.
it-
Okay. Thank you. So that might be a glitch. And so far we are right now at, I hope you would have all understood at least what I mentioned everything. So 2.3 charges, 2.3%, 0.5%. Grace and Susan, please let me know whenever my screen freezes. Okay, please let me know in advance.
Not a problem.
Okay. So you will be able to use it online at the POS, the merchants, and GPay and Apple Pay, and through all the other payment solutions that are available across the globe. We have associated more than 100,000, I believe, traders and payment solutions into our the applications. So as these packages are available on We Are All Satoshis, so we have like, the distribution system is almost 65% of the card value, and 35 remains will be used for logistics and issuance of the card. Now these cards are in three variants: $100, that's 9 choice; $500, that's 9 prime; and $1,000, that's 9 platinum. And with this, there are absolutely no such major differences except for the spending limits. The spending limits on single transactions are defined as follows. 9 choice will have 10,000 of spending limit in a single transactions. That does not mean the card is limited to any number of deposits. We can deposit as much as we want. There are no fees, as well as there is no limit to how much we can deposit. All right. This limits are just on a single transaction value. So with 9 choice, we will be able to spend only $10,000 in a single transactions. With 9 prime, we will be able to spend 50,000, and with 9 platinum, we will be able to spend $100,000. Right. Now, do you remember this? I had mentioned that $0.5 will be charged by Visa on every single transactions. So with that, if you have if you have to spend like $100,000, right? So you will have to 10,000 with a 9 choice card, you will have 10,000 into 10 transactions, right? And that will be $0.5 for every transactions. So this are the features of all the cards, how these cards differ from each other. And of course, the quality of the card will also differ based on the value of the card. And we will also have some cashback and rewards program that are also defined to which type of card you hold for yourself. Now, understanding the benefits of 9pay crypto credit card. For this, first of all, we need to understand the qualification criteria. So there are tier qualifications: tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3. These qualifications are defined to understand how you will be benefited from your own spending. So if you have if you have bought a card and you refer at least 2 direct clients. Direct clients are people who directly buy the card from your referral link. So when you sell this card to 2 different people, it doesn't matter you place them in your left or right. It doesn't matter. Over here, there is no binary structure. All you need is 2 direct sales, 2 direct clients. So once you sell these cards to 2 direct clients, you will be qualified for tier 1. When you sell this to 5 different clients, you are qualified for tier 2. And when you sell this to 10 different clients, you are qualified for tier 3. So with this qualification, you can understand that all you need to do is sell 10 cards. That's it. In your entire business journey, all you need to do is sell 10 card and you will be tier 3 qualified for lifetime, right? So you have an account on WAAS, We Are All Satoshi, and with that, and on that account, when you refer your 10 direct partners, when you sell them Or maybe on We Are All Satoshi, you are having 10 direct partners, and when they will buy card under you, or they are already sponsored by your referral link. So when they will buy card on their own respective accounts, you will be qualified for tier 3. Now, if you are having multiple accounts on We Are All Satoshi, that means you will have to qualify. You will buy a card on all these accounts, right? If you want to. If you are doing that, so you will be required to qualify with 10 directs on each different accounts. So it's very much suggested that you have a WAAS account, We Are All Satoshi, and you can buy multiple cards on the same accounts for your friends and family if you want to, right? So that you will have to have limited number of direct clients. Okay. So these are the tier qualification: tier 1, 2 directs, tier 2, 5 directs, and tier 3, 10 directs. Now, the benefits of this card program on spendings as well as your direct partners spending. Now, first benefit is when we have this in We Are All Satoshi model. Let me quickly log on to the WAAS accounts as well. I'll help you understand this as well, the networking part. So over here, you can see assets. In assets, you have deposit wallets, the TRC20, USDT, BTC20, USDT. You can fund this wallets with the
Screen
respective.
hasn't moved, trash sheet, I'm sorry.
Yeah, please. Okay, just mention it to me. I don't know what the glitch is. Now, can you see the WAS?
Yes, sir.
Let me quickly stop it one more time and let me see what the actual problem is.
Do you want to restart?
I think that the Zoom feature that we had discussed before the presentation, I think that is creating the problem. Okay, no problem. So over here, you can see the WAS account over here, and with the respective deposits, you can buy the card value, and this card will be available over here in the subscription 9Pay, and you can go to 9Pay, you can buy any card that of your choice, 100 USDT, 500 USDT, 1000 USDT, whichever card you choose, you will have the details in the subscription history, and that is it. And once you qualify for the tier systems, it will be visible over here. You can see in the profile section, or maybe in the dashboard itself. When you scroll down to your profile, you can see your tier qualifications over here. So on the team summary, you have your direct partners. So you can see all the direct partners which have activated their account, and you can if you know them, you can ask them to buy the card. Once they buy the card, and if you have 10 direct partners, so that way you are qualified for tier systems. Susan, let me know if the screen has changed. I have switched to the Microsoft Word.
No.
No. All right. Now it would have.
Yes, it's now.
Okay. I'm scrolling. Is it visible to you all?
It's scrolling.
All right. Thank you. So as these cards are sold under you, as your team, your downlines, as they buy, it generates affiliate commissions, and 65% of the card value is distributed towards your uplines, uplines, and in the network structure. So that way, anybody who is buying a card, of course, the cards are available in We Are All Satoshis. So anybody who is buying a card, it generates a value in the line of sponsorship about that person. So 65 of the commissions of the card values are going to be distributed, and 35% is left. And this 35% will be used for the logistics and the issuance of the card. So now as your direct partners, they buy the card from you, you are entitled to 5% kickback. Okay. And as well as if you are qualifying for the check match, left and right, business volume, you get 10% check match bonus as well. All right. And above else, we know that any product that you buy in We Are All Satoshi, it is entitled to 3x potential earning, right? So it adds 3x potential earning as well on your account. So that means you can earn 3x your card value benefits on We Are All Satoshi as well in terms of affiliate commissions. So this is affiliate part. But if you are not participating in the affiliate part, you don't want to get much into these detail, then you get as a client cashback on your own spendings as well. So you remember the tier qualifications, right? So if you are qualified for tier 1, you get 1% cashback on your own spending. That means whatever amount of crypto assets you deposit onto your card and spend, you will be able to get 1% cashback if you're tier 1 qualified. If you're tier 2 qualified, you get 2% cashback. If you're tier 3 qualified, you get 3% cashback on your own spending. Now again, remember, I had mentioned that 2.3% is the currency exchange charges. So that way, if you're qualified for tier 3, you're getting 3% cashback. And that way, you will be able to compensate your exchange charges, right? 2.3 charge, 3% cashback on your own spending. So that way you can compensate. So that means you get your entire spendings, without any charges, exchange charges, right? And this particular cashback you receive in USDT BTC 20. That's our own asset of our own blockchain, right? Why this? That's because when you reach out to people, this credit card program is a very unique product. With this, you can reach out to as many number of people as possible. You would be having friends and families who would be participating in the other networking projects on crypto and blockchain as well. You may reach out to them because everybody will require a product to cash out their crypto assets. And if you're getting cashback on your own spending, if you are getting cashback on your client spending, if you are getting 3x benefits as potential earning on We Are All Satoshi, you are getting 5% check match. If you are getting 5% kickback, 10% check match, why would anyone not buy a card from you? So that way, many people who are not yet the part of this community, they can get into our system because everybody would like to spend on crypto credit card. And when they spend, they receive in USDT BTC 20. And with this USDT BTC 20, they no, they will again gonna come back to you and ask you, where do I encash this? So there you can offer them about, you can tell them about the mining program. You can tell them about Boomerang. You can tell them about the P2P platform that we are about to launch. You can tell them about capital. You can tell them about all the products, right? And with that, even the new people, they will start learning about our ecosystem, about other products of WAAS. So this is a very interesting thing that Chavez has integrated into this as a cashback on your own spending, right? Now, the cashback on your client's spending, that means all the direct partners you have referred with who have purchased cards, when they spend on their own card, you get a cashback as well on their spending. So if you have, this depends on the type of card you are having. So if you have 9 choice, the basic card, you get 0.1% cashback. If you have 9 prime, you get 0.2% cashback. And if you have 9 platinum, you get 0.3% cashback on your client's spending. Now this cashback is absolutely in USDT TRC20. Okay. Now this USDT TRC20 will be available to be utilized on the card, or you will be able to transfer it to some other accounts. All right. Now this is plain and simple, right? Now how are we different from the existing card providers? So first of all, on our exclusive product, you get WAAS ecosystem. affiliate benefits, 3x potential earning on WAAS. This won't be available in any other existing crypto card providers, right? Then we have a pre-sale offer as well, 10% bonus you will receive as soon as you get access to your virtual card. Then we have Visa Companies Association. We are legally compliant. We are, we are having all the licenses. So this gives us enough credibility to be in the market. Then we have integrated the banking system as well. So many clients will be benefited with this integration. Maximum single limit transaction is $100,000. That's again very unique and available only on our card program without any terms and conditions. On other programs, there are spending limits, but with some terms and conditions. We have no such terms and conditions. Only the card that you purchase authorizes you to spend $100,000 on a single transaction. No deposit fees. Other card providers, they charge deposit fees as well. No annual fees over here. Cashback and reward programs on our own and our clients' spending. That's again unique on our card program. Then BTCC will be soon available to be used on this card. And Shavesh, like mentioned in the last Wednesday call, we will also introduce staking program on this card. So people will be able to stake their crypto assets and they will be able to generate value on their staking as well, crypto assets as well. So many features are loaded already onto this crypto card program. And if you have not yet bought this card, please buy it. This is one of the best thing you will have. At least you don't have to, seek here and there. Don't have to rely on people to encash your crypto assets, right? So this is all about crypto credit card program. Now I will switch to Capital 3.0, which is again a very unique product that we have designed and are about to deliver. So the Capital 3.0 is soon gonna be released as a product. Let me just quickly open the presentation. All right. Grace, please confirm if the screen is not visible.
Yes, it is.
All right. So let me ask you all, does anyone know why the coins and tokens are released into the market? Why does anybody designs a cryptocurrency and why does we have so many cryptocurrencies in the market? Why? Ever try to find why anybody launches a cryptocurrency? The first reason is to capitalize, to take a leverage, to take the benefit of pumping and dumping. That's one thing. The second option is to, like, Bitcoin was released as the first cryptocurrency. It has its own intrinsic value in terms of supply, right? In terms of the mining, the halving of value creation, right? Then there are cryptocurrencies which are practically token IPs of projects like XRP. It's like a blockchain coin, but that blockchain practically offers solutions, banking solutions. So cryptocurrencies are launched, tokens are designed for different purposes. Often, many crypto projects in terms of blockchain technology and crypto technology are released or launched and they are tokenized, right? So all the major coins that you see, they are all different technologies on blockchain. So when such a blockchain or such a project is designed and it's tokenized, that gives a great opportunity for institutional investors to invest into a project and capitalize on that tokenized IP or on that cryptocurrency. So we are speaking of unicorn projects, unicorn crypto projects. What does unicorn means? Unicorn means the projects which have potential to grow exponentially. Maybe they might be offering some groundbreaking technology. Maybe they might be offering some advanced technology. Maybe they might be offering some exclusive product which might enhance the user experience or the maybe the it improve the ecosystem. So there are projects, institutional projects, which offer groundbreaking technologies, and they have the potential to grow, like maybe 10 to 1,000 times. So such unicorn projects are launched specifically in more subsequent manner, especially in the bull run. We all know that this is the bull run year. This is the halving year, and because of this halving, we are yet to get into the bull run, right? Bitcoin halving is designed for every 4 years. Not every 4 years, but it takes almost 210,000 blocks when they are created. This halving event occurs. And because of this halving, a hype is created. And because of this, the Bitcoin, it gets into bullish trend. And once Bitcoin gets into bullish trend, we know it's the dominant cryptocurrencies. So the entire crypto market, it gets into bullish in this bullish trend. So we have this halving year. 2024 is the halving year of Bitcoin, and halving happened like in the month of April. And after this halving, we are yet to see the all-time high, which is a trend followed in every halving year of Bitcoin. So the
Tashi,
market, yes.
is your screen supposed to be
No, no,
moved?
no. I'm just talking. I have not
Okay.
yet. I'm just describing the unicorns and AI disruptor products. Yeah.
I thought so. Okay, thanks. Sorry for the interruption.
No problem. Thank you, please. So with Bitcoin getting into this bullish trend, we are on the verge of the bullish bull run, And in this bull run also, there will be lots of institutional and traditional projects that will be offered. But who does really get benefited with this projects? The people who get early into this projects, and especially the people who have like huge sum of money, who are billionaires and millionaires, who are opportunities, who are called funds, who are called venture capitalists. They invest early into a project because the development of the projects also sometimes requires funding. So this is a very, very close syndicate already established in the market, which invest in this type of crypto unicorn projects. Now, what Chavez is offering us an opportunity. There is a syndicate which anybody having money also cannot break into. So Chavez is offering us an opportunity because he has that opportunity, he has that privilege. So he is offering our community this privilege, this opportunity to invest like the funds, like the VCs into this crypto unicorn projects, right? And this is what Capital 3.0 is absolutely, around this. So with Capital 3.0, we get to invest in technology like a VC or a fund. We know that technology is gonna take its place. You cannot stop technology. You cannot stop development. From Web 1.0 to Web 2.0 to Web 3.0, we have evolved. We as a human also have evolved. So it's either you change, you adapt, or you be the change and you are left behind. So this is an opportunity for everybody who are a part of We Are All Satoshi to participate into this next, bull run. And specifically in every bull run, there is an emerging technology. There are key players. There are top projects which, grow massively. So what Chavez is doing is, Chavez is identifying all such projects which are about to be released in this bull run. And with that knowledge, with that privilege, he is offering us the same benefit which he is getting entitled to. So with this, we might be able to invest in the next Amazons of Web 3.0. We might be able to invest in the next Solana. might be able to invest in the next XRP. So with this, we have Capital 3.0. Lots of funds are, are dedicated to this thing, and we also will be able to participate with this. So here are some examples. The minimum growth in this type of unicorn projects is minimum growth is what Chavez mentioned is 100x to start with. So you can see the examples over here. We have listed some example like Solana launched in June 2018. The coin was listed on exchanges at $0.20. It went to all-time high $174, right? So that's almost 550 times returns on whatever value you would have invested at the launch of the coin. While at the same time, Bitcoin just gave 6 times returns and Ethereum gave 8 times returns, right? And over here we had 174 from $0.20. Like Terra, again, May 2018, $0.10 went all-time high to $85, 945x returns if anybody would have invested on the day first. Then XC Infinity, May 2020, 0.08, $96, 637x. So you can see there are many projects which have huge potential, but who and how would how us as a investor or as a common person will be able to identify this? So we don't have to get deep into this. We all need to understand that the Chavez and his team, they are doing all the due diligence. So they are offering all the projects, and with Capital 3.0, it is made plain and simple for us to participate and take our returns from it. So how does this Capital 3.0 has been designed? So over here, we are also introducing our own token, that's 3.0 token. And this token will be exclusively available for investment rounds only. You cannot buy this token. You cannot sell this token. You cannot transfer this token. You can only, swap this token to project tokens whenever the allocations are released. Now, how do you get these tokens? So to get this token, you need to buy a package of Capital 3.0 that starts minimum with 100 USDT, only 100 USDT. And depending on your pocket size, depending on your limitations, you can buy any package and you are entitled to 2% of daily compounding on your capital. And with this 2%, you receive 3.0 tokens. So the tokenomics is plain and simple. Anybody who buys a package of Capital 3.0, they get 2% daily compounding. And with this daily compounding, they accumulate 3.0 tokens, right? Now this way you accumulate as many tokens as possible, but whenever the allocations will be available, that means whenever the projects will be announced, then you can swap these tokens to project tokens. Okay. So both new and existing users can visit WAAS.network, that is our affiliate sites, and you can buy a package of Capital 3.0, and everybody is eligible to participate and earn rewards in terms of token 3.0. The minimum package value is 100 USDT, and depending on your budget, your pocket size, you can buy any package that is convenient to you. Now what We Are All Satoshi is offering you. We Are All Satoshi is offering you maximum 5x returns on your package value, right? So of course, whenever you or your downline, they will purchase any package, the 65% goes to sales commissions, right? 65%. And what is left is 35%. And this 35%, it is put to 2% compounding. And this 35%, when it compounds, it is calculated up to you make 5x of your package value, right? So this way, any package that you buy is practically capped at 5x of your package value. So this way you get all the benefits, and you in fact get all the tokens 3.0, and these tokens are then available for you to be swapped to project tokens. Now let me again share the screen and I'll help you understand this with on a notepad. Grace, notepad is visible, right?
Yes, it is.
Okay. So on WAAS, you buy a package, and this package, maybe we are taking an example, maybe of $1,000. So 65% goes to affiliate sales and 35% is what we are left with. This is available for capital for maybe the project allocations, right? So with this 35%, if you, it will start by default 2% daily compounding. You do, whether you allow it or not, it will still compound for you. And once you compound it for 135 days, this will grow to 5x of your package value. That means it will grow to $5,000 worth token 3.0, right? Now token 3.0 is valued at $1. It is a stable token that we have designed, and it will be, any token that you are having will be valued at $1. So like at the end of the 135 days, you are having $5,000 worth token. That means you are having 5,000 token 3.0, right? Now you need to understand two terminologies. One is allocation. That means when the VCs or the funds, they invest. So that is even before the launch of the project. And second is public listing. That means when the project will be launched and the project tokens will be available, right, on exchanges. Right. So now anybody who is having tokens 3.0 at the announcement of allocations, you will be able to use this token 3.0, whatever value you are having, whatever numbers of tokens you are having, and you will be able to swap it to project tokens. Let us assume Solana is getting listed, right? So the project tokens will be SOL, right? So let us assume that at the time of launch, at the time of allocations, SOL is available at $0.20, right? Like at the time of allocation, SOL is available at $0.20 and you are having token 3.0, how many? 5,000. So of this 5,000, let us assume that you utilized 1,000 tokens, right? So one SOL is available at $0.20. One SOL is available at $20. So with 1,000 tokens or $1,000, how many SOL you will be able to purchase? So that's almost 20,000. So you are having 20,000 SOL. So you swapped your token 3.0 to Solana tokens. Now Solana is not even listed right now on exchanges. It is about to go public listing. So with allocations, this public listing will be announced. And once this public listings are announced, you are having 20,000 Solanas. right? So let us assume that allocation date is maybe 15th of September, and the public listing date, maybe it will be like 30th of September or maybe 20th of September. So on the very first day, you will be able to sell this 20,000 Solana at minimum value of $0.20. This is what Chavez is giving us as an opportunity to make token 3.0, right? And to swap it against project tokens at the time of allocation that his team will announce as per the due diligence they have done. And with this allocation, everybody will have an opportunity to go public listed and sell their whatever project tokens they have accumulated on the very first day of public listing. Right. Now, let us assume that on 20th September, when Solana goes on exchanges, it was valued at $0.20, right? So maybe here you sold off your 10,000 Solanas, right? And you kept other coins, maybe because you thought that Solana might have some potential. Solana might have some potential. It went to all-time high 175. Let us assume that you kept it for just like maybe $20 until the price goes to $20. And then you sold off your remaining 10,000. This is completely entirely up to you. When do you want to sell your project tokens? But what Chavez has assured is you will be able to make 5x through compounding, and whatever tokens you are having, you will be able to swap to project tokens at the time of allocations. And if allocations are happening, then the public listings will also happen. And when public listing will happen, then on the very first day, you will have the minimum value with which you allocated, and it depends on you. You are selling it off on the very first day or not. If you want, you can sell entire project tokens. If you don't want to sell, you want to keep it, it's entirely up to your decision. Chavez task over here, it's over. With this, I hope Capital 3.0 is plain and simple to you all, and I hope you would all have understood. Now, this is practically for all the people who are passive, but for all the people who are affiliate marketers, they have one additional option, that is on We Are All Satoshi, they will have on We Are All Satoshi, they will have 5x potential earning, right? That means any package that you buy, maybe of $1,000, so you will have potential earning, that is $5,000. Now, let us assume that maybe through referral commissions, you made like maybe $4,000, and with the compounding, you made $1,000. So this 4,000 will be available to you for withdrawal on We Are All Satoshi in USDT TRC 20. You may be able to withdraw this, and over here you are having $1,000 in token 3.0. So by any means, through referral commissions, through affiliate commissions, or through tokens that by default you are going to accumulate, by any means, you are making 5x with Capital 3.0. So we have different, I'll just quickly share my screen with you all, and after that we will conclude. So where it is. On the WAAS dashboard, you already have this. You can see we have different sections for Capital 3.0. You see the left business, right business, everything. And we have our 3x products. We have different sections. So all the products that are listed as of now, the Bitcoin, Boomerang, 9pay, Capital 3.0, Capital, all this except for tech capital, all these are our 3x products, right? And you have two different wallets as well. You can see this is 3x wallet, right? This wallet is 3x. And over here, you can see the income wallet, which is 5x, right? So you have two different products, one product giving you 3x returns on We Are All Satoshi, and one product, Capital 3.0, which is going to give you 5x returns. So over here, as you buy any Capital 3.0 project package, you will have 5x remaining over here, right? And any affiliate commissions that you make will be available for you to withdraw in TRC20, and by default, you are also going to accumulate token 3.0. You can see over here, token 3.0 wallets. And you can already see the swap feature is available over here. Although the project is not launched, but the entire thing has been designed and structured in the back office. So I hope you have had much more clarity on the credit card systems that we have already launched and Capital 3.0, which is about to be launched in this week, right? With that knowledge, I hope you will be able to catch the opportunity. Try to understand, don't be rigid, don't be closed-minded. Feel comfortable that you are a part of ecosystem which is giving excellent products. You are a part of an affiliate model, which is in a way which is very, very sustainable. We have already been almost an year now. Even with the blockchain, the blockchain was launched on 1st of October 2023. So by in like 15 days, we are going to celebrate the anniversary of our blockchain as well. So it takes time, it takes efforts, it takes intentions to deliver genuine projects. And that's what Chavez is doing. So feel privileged, feel blessed that we are having such an ecosystem, with a very strong foundation. We have amazing products which we can sell with confidence, and all are legally compliant products, right? Just try to understand how we are making profits from any product, right? And if you have that confidence, participate in the affiliate thing as well. That can give you passive affiliate commissions. So with that, Grace, we are at the end of the session, the end of the master training. Over to you, and we'll take a couple of questions. After that, we will conclude the session. It's already past 8 minutes. Yeah.
All righty. Thank you. Thank you so much, Tashi. That was excellent. And we already have some hands up, and we are going to allow them to start their video. All right. Please go ahead and start your video, and so that we can, I can call on you. All right. Hi, Carol. Let's go ahead and get you to unmute, and please ask your question.
Okay. Thank you, Grace.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Trashid. Great presentation.
Thank you.
Just struggling to keep up with all that knowledge. I know eventually we'll get it. It's just a full load of information, but
Yes.
the great presentation, I don't think you can make it any easier. And great products also. We also thank Chavez for this great work he's doing. Thanks again. Got a question. I have 3 questions. Number 1, can you break down the project tokens? What exactly does, when you say you can swap it to project tokens, what exactly do you mean?
So, like we had shown you in the presentation, the projects that are already launched, Solana,
Yes.
Infinity, like this type, there will be some projects which are upcoming projects in this bull run. So Chavez is going to